Hi everybody, it's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt, Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. This is number 2 out of the 4 72-inch flat tops with Seminole paint that I brought in. This one is diamond blue with diamond white Seminole. 280-inch wheelbase, 2021 model year, extended hood, 72-inch flat top. We got a little bit of a cloud cover today. It almost looks purple in this light, but in kind of see it there in the daylight and the sunlight. It's an absolutely beautiful color. Seminole paint job done at the Peterbilt factory, so it's all factory paint. We're not going to put a border between the two colors. We'll let whoever buys it, we'll let them decide what that border is going to be. Just a beautiful looking truck. Front end look here. She's beautiful. Added a couple extra lights on the top of the cab. Get a 14-inch drop visor. All polished stainless steel. We did those cab lights are clear, but when you turn them on, they're amber. The front breather lights, rear breather lights, and then we did the internal breather lights. Got the polished stainless steel LED lights all down the cab and sleeper. Polished stainless steel def tank cover. Get a 110 polished tank on this side. 6 load lights. Did a deep tinted rear window in the sleeper. The logger style radio antenna and the back of sleeper CBD antenna. Keeps everything a little cleaner off the. Keeps them off the mirrors. The access step toolboxes, catwalk, a couple of jumper posts there in case you're running a pony motor or have to jump start a reefer or something like that. Got air ride on the sleeper. 30-inch Hodge-built quarter fenders, all polished stainless steel. Got Goodyear Endurance LHDs on the back here, 285 75R 24.5 tires. Did all the round hole. Peterbilt Low air leaf suspension. And unlike a lot of the highway runners, we did do full lockers. That's your locker right there. Just the air to the lockers. So your front differential locks in, your rear differential, and then your inner axle. So it's what we call 3-way lockers. So you got power. Locks up everything in the rear. LED taillights, reverse light. Come back up this side, we got a 150-gallon fuel tank over here. And with these access toolboxes, you get these access bars here. They don't look bad. I prefer them without. So I like to order it without the access steps and then put them on. But just like a little cleaner look across the back. But OSHA says we got to have those, so I guess that's what we get. But they do a good job. They're still fairly clean. Whoever did the polish job on the aftertreatment cover is having a good day at the factory, because that's one of the better ones I've seen. Here comes another one. So take a look at the motor. Sorry, I should have had that unstrapped. I don't know if you can see it here, but That color is just stunning. It's just absolutely beautiful. I'm not a big blue fan, but this is a nice blue. Get the hot side of the motor here. It's Cummins 525 2050 torque. Air-ride steer axle. Got disc brakes up front, and I forgot to mention, we do have disc brakes at the back. Forgot to mention that. So it's got disc brakes all the way around. Flip that up so we can shut the hood. It's your remote lube station. DAVCO 382 fuel filter. Air-ride steer. Disc brakes. We'll take you inside, and that's the nice thing about it being a nice factory paint job is it's done perfectly. They do a really good job at the factory. Before we hop in, I'll show you got a little storage underneath the sleeper here. Got your subwoofer, heater controls, your bed, and you can access all of this from the inside. Got the platinum interior, gray on this one, heated seats. Power windows, power locks. Heater fired up. This one we did as full of gauges as we could, but because we have full three-way lockers here, these can normally be over here, and we can do a full 23 gauge package. Unable to do that because I added a PTO switch here and full lockers. But the PTO switch has been something we've been doing quite often. You guys really like it. Factory installed CB. There's the looking down the nose. Got a leather wrapped steering wheel. 18 speed. Just a gorgeous truck. Still smells good. Black leather seats. Look out the rear window. Step back in here. Got some pocket storage up there. Place for a TV. Of course, now a lot of guys are mounting a flat screen over here. Got the business center. Pull out, all kinds of storage there. Closet, more storage, extra lights. The flat top, very comfortable. You do have a small little hump there that you gotta step over. I think the other day I did a video on the ultra-loft, and it's just flat, just totally flat. But this sleeper is removable. Ultra-loft is not. So I just thought I'd give you a look. One of the four Peterbilt 389 extended hoods. You can get a hold of me at 970-691-3877, or you can email me at couchk, couchk at rushenterprises.com. Be happy to get you pricing on this. We do take trades. One thing I forgot is we are going to try and keep this on all the videos now. 18,556 pounds right there. So trying to make sure I get the weights on all the 336 gears. I believe I mentioned that. Should be an absolutely beautiful truck for somebody. Beautiful color. Now that we got the sun out a little bit more, kind of see the color of that diamond blue. It is just, it's stunning. Just a beautiful color. Like I said, I'm not a huge fan of blue, but this one is unbelievable. Well, I appreciate the time. Appreciate you watching. It's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilts, Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. Thank you.